Ice West. Check this out. Froze it in the fridge. Let's try it out. It's really humid out here. I feel a little cold, but I do have a t-shirt on. So, ooh, it's getting colder. So you can even put it under like something else. Ooh, I feel like I'm standing in like a cooler, you know, in the grocery stores, walk-in coolers. That's what it feels like, except colder. Yeah, it feels good. I can actually like move around, work with it. It's not in my way. Bend up and down. There's a little bit of a Velcro. Looks good. Nice. Adjust that if it's like doesn't stay on. But yeah, it feels really nice and cold, but at the same time it does not hurt like it's super cold. It actually feels good. Got it here, BBQ Hot Dog Roller. Let's start with the breakfast sausage, see if it will work. The idea of it, whenever we roll it, you see the whole sausage is rolling. Kinda have to do it slowly, and look at that. It's turning around. So that way we don't even have to flip the sausage. Okay, the sausage is cooking. Let's flip it over. Boom, you see how this one is non-cooked and this side is cooked, and they all flipped over at the same time. How cool is that? Okay, flip it over. As you can see, it's definitely cooking. Works really well. It's so much fun rolling them. So there you go, grill hot dog roller. Have you ever seen anything like that? Next level pliers. 2-in-1 flat pliers right here with the grabber and needle nose with the cutter and everything else. So that way you don't have to bring 2 sets of pliers, you have 2-in-1. Camping coffee bag. You just open it right here and you have right here coffee. Boom. Also comes with the second one if you want to brew a couple of them. Pour the hot water in there, and once you're done, just use a zip plug and close it, and you got here all the liquid. Got my collapsible mug. Love this thing. So let's open it. There you go. Once you're done, close it, and you can reuse it a couple of times. Just put new coffee in here, and look at that. It's pretty dark coffee, so it worked really well. Credit card size marshmallow fork. Check this out by Ready Man. So what you will do is put it through like this, then bend it and put it through all the way. Then what we'll do is flip this over and flip this over, and you can even put them a little bit to the side to put the hot dog on, or a couple of marshmallows. Either way, this is perfect for campfires. So nice and smart. And when you're done, you can still reuse it. It's not gonna be as beautiful, but you kinda can fold them up and use it the whole camping trip. Put it on different stick as well. Another Gerber zipper gadget, but this time it's a screwdriver. As you can see, flathead, Phillips, another flathead, and smaller. So cool. And again, as usual, show it to you real quickly. Take this out, put it into your zipper, and plug it in. So that way you have a zipper, probably best for your backpack, survival backpack, whatever, and then easy to take it out to use this tool. $100 most foldable camping chair. Plug this in, pull this out, plug all the way out right here, and boom, it can hold up 230 pounds pretty comfortably. Microtech knife you don't see every day. This is from Star Wars, limited edition. Check this out. It's green. I wish this one was serrated. This serial number 1912. So 1912 of them were made. This one is made 05/2022. Definitely a collector piece. I wouldn't be using it every day, cutting boxes or anything. By the way, all this vintage look to it and sketched up is designed this way. It's actually new. How about dishwashing gloves built in with a sponge? And also, this is the only dish soap I use. You see, just spray it up, put it on a plate, and then brush it. How cool is that? Actually stays in there, the soap. There you go. Couple of weird inventions over there, but wow, I refuse to buy any other kind of dish soap. That's the only way. Oh, morphine, look at that, that stamp. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I forgot about it, that I ordered it. So you put all your morphine knives inside this knife case. That is so cool. Check this out. So it's like, would be your little collection. There's your belt buckle, Velcro, more Velcro. Wow. And there's your knife. Wow, look at that. For 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what, that's a lot, considerably speaking. Morphine knives go for over $1,000, most of them. So yeah, that's like $15,000 would be inside this case minimum. Sometimes those knives go up for even more money, like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 knives. So that's kind of a cool case to have for all your collection. Got it here, waterproof torch lighter. I really like this one a lot. So yeah, this is a brand of it, and this one is dual. So let's drop it in there. Oh, the only problem with that one, it's not floatable, happens. So let's see if I can find a better one that is also floats. But at least it does still works. Really nice dual torch lighter. Another torch lighter, a bit different design. Let's see the power of it. Okay, there goes nothing. Instantly. And one more time. Yeah, that is really powerful. You don't see a knife like that every day. There is a knife shift, literally looks like a scyther or like a scythe. You know, one of those things that you cut the grass from back in the day, or some kind of gardening tool. This is who it's made by, Bestinelli. So this is some kind of like a combat knife. I don't think I would be opening boxes with it or like using it for cooking and stuff, but it's quite funny between of a knife and a hatchet. So yeah, pretty beautiful, don't you guys think? So weird. There's something I always wanted for myself. This is a cutting board and knife. So there's a magnet, it's not gonna come out for camping. You don't want to drop it into the mud while you're going out camping, and then you can chop your food, meat, whatever. And there's a plastic or like a rubber stoppers over here. So it sits really good, so you can chop up on the table or rack, whatever. Very cool gadget for camping. Definitely worth it. I love snow peak gadgets, as you can see. I've been reviewing a lot of them. So it says CKT, and there's other markings. Feels like high quality leather. So boom, it comes off like this. You got the screwdriver. Very nice. Ooh, this like fidget spinner type of style. CKT right here, so you can grab it and spin it. That's quite nice. You see it? So you can hold it and spin it. Let's say there's a star bit you need, or if you need a regular driver, screwdriver. Let's see if it's hard to pull it out. Put this in. Probably be using this one's way more. And just screw something in and unscrew something. So beautiful little pouch tool. Once you're done, it's gonna go inside here. You just roll it up, fold it, boom.